Good morning, everyone. And this video is inspired for the older working Americans, older people like myself. Um, Back in the day, people would retire at 65 years old and they would retire. But as you know, it's not like that anymore. And matter of fact, it's the opposite. People of my age and older are getting out and back into the workforce, just like myself. And I'm having my coffee, and it's not time for me to go to work, but being an older worker, we come with a lot. We're like bonus workers. Already this morning, I've gotten up, I've showered, got ready, I got my coffee, took my trash, put it on the curb, and I'm back. I set up. I'm even set up for work, even though I don't even have to start on the computer till 9 o'clock. But I say, you know what? Let me use this time to do a little short video and let them know a little bit of what I do in my day as an older American worker back into the workforce. Yes, I have everything in my house. I'm a remote worker. I am 68 years old in Anchorage, Alaska, and I am a mass participant for the Department of Labor, the MASS program, Mature Alaskan Seeking Skills Training. And I am the first of its kind, first remote worker. And I am set up in my house. I have to do timesheets, and I have a job profile that I have to do so much in 30 hours. I only work 30 hours a week. It's 60, roughly 60 hours of pay period. I do write articles. I do digital marketing for the MASS program or Department of Labor. In the Department of Labor, MASS program is a part of the Department of Labor. That is a program. There's only one of the programs in the Department of Labor. It's so many programs. But I was blessed to be in the MASS program as I've been so many years. But MASS program is not a job, so it's a stepping mechanism for you to go train and go to so right now I am getting ready to be trained through DVR to find a job, a real job. But when I find this real job, it has to be a real job that pays a nice yearly salary, because at my age we have benefits and stuff like that, so you don't want things to mess up your benefits. So it's best to have all of that taken care of, because I've way surpassed that ticket to work program thing, because I was on disability. They changed disability to I think retirement, and they gave me my retirement benefit funds. So look, older workers, if that's a part of your problem, don't let it be. You have to go into or either call Department of Labor in Anchorage, Alaska, and speak to the MASS program. Tell me you want to speak to the MASS program. And here's the thing. Like, I'm just telling you what I do, okay? Well, so I got that out of the way. I just want to tell you to, don't be afraid to jump back out in there if you want to brush up on your skills. And 9 times out of 10, if you're my age, you come with so many skills and so much of life experiences that you are a bonus worker. Don't forget that. You're a bonus worker, and you are to hire an older worker is an investment for that company. So don't you worry about that. But listen, while I'm drinking my coffee, and before I have plenty of time because I don't have to be to work, like I say, till 9 o'clock. But I was just, at the computer, and I want to share some with you this morning while I'm drinking my coffee. It was a young couple, the lady, the wife, married couple, she just decided that she would share her morning routine like I'm doing to you guys on Twitter. So she put on the Twitter, every morning my husband and I share coffee together, and he brings me coffee to the garden, and and she said we sit and talk, and it's been like that for years, and she says we never run out of stuff to talk about, and so, and she left it there, Then when she heard that her post got like 3.5K, she said, let me go back and let me see what is it, what they talking about. She did. Okay. This woman, these people, see, when I was coming up, this wouldn't have never happened. Nobody wouldn't have, they said, oh, like I said when I first saw the article, I said, oh, how nice. I looked at it on a positive. But this generation, they attacked her. They accused her. They say, coffee. I wished I had the pleasure. I can't even afford coffee. That's the one they said. And you're trying to make us jealous. You're rich. And they went on to say that you pushing this in our face. Honey, that was a lot. That was a lot. She's 24 years old. Her husband is 25. And for years, they have been doing this. And they never run out of things to talk about. She was sharing her day. Evidently, these people, young people that were coming on and attacking this woman, they did not have what she had or what she has. They felt like she was boasting, pushing it in their face. As a matter of fact, they said that some of the replies, they said that they were boasting. Let me see if I can read some of the replies. And it just went on. And I thought that was ridiculous. Why would someone attack someone for sharing their time with their husband? And so she went back and she took to social media and she said, to answer everyone's questions, we are not rich. We work extremely hard to get where we are. We live very minimal and conscious. We make conscious decisions, and both of us work jobs that match our lifestyles, that allow us to live this way. And she goes on to say that she owned a little business, a little hair extension business. He worked, and she says she get up after she finished her coffee. She goes, it be early in the morning, she goes and work out. Then she goes to her job. And then she goes to her job. This camera might have gone out. It blanked out. But anyway, I'm going to close out. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. And I am like a busy bumblebee. Matter of fact, we're gonna have an older person, working American person, a video podcast. Gonna be launching. I don't know. I gotta talk to the web designers and the people that helped me get this gun together, because there's a lot of older Americans that want to get out, don't know how to get out, and I want you to contact me. I'm not going to put any website up yet or anything like that. Just use my old one that I put on here until I get the new one up. I haven't said yet because I want to get it branded and stuff. So anyway, you have a pleasant day, and I'm going to continue with my little computer watching and news reading and having my coffee. So enjoy your day and talk to you later. Bye-bye.